Hey everyone, we're excited to introduce the AltMill 2x4 CNC, the latest addition to the AltMill family. Built for speed and reliability, it's designed to empower makers, educators, and businesses to achieve more in less space. The difference is clear. The AltMill 2x4 offers the same robust performance as the original AltMill, but in a size that fits seamlessly into tighter workshops, classrooms, or focused production setups. The 2x4 AltMill isn't much larger than a typical shop workbench, with a footprint of only 39 inches deep and 63 inches wide. It stands on its own legs without any table, so you can get from unboxing to making in no time. The exact cutting area of this machine is 25.6 inches in the Y direction and 50 inches in the X direction to let you comfortably work with full 2 foot by 4 foot material. 4 foot wide sheet material can also be passed through the table to allow projects even bigger than the machine itself. And this is just the beginning. With future upgrades like higher power spindles and automatic tool changers, the AltMill 2x4 is a platform designed to grow alongside your needs. The AltMill 2x4 combines industrial CNC technology with a compact footprint, making it a powerful addition to any workspace. Are you ready to start your next CNC project?